Start earning money today from the comfort of your home.
Hello, honey bun.
Hello, my honey buns. It's your gal Lou, or you can call me Miss Honey Bun. And in today's video, I am going to be giving you a number of websites that you can get on today to start earning money from the comfort of your home, okay? And these are jobs that don't really require a lot out of you. And honestly, if you have the time, you can earn $3,000 or more per month working these jobs from the comfort of your home. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and get into these websites. Whether you need some extra income or you're not currently receiving any income at all and you just need money, whatever the case may be, I'm giving you some sites today that you can start running it up on. All right, so the first category is going to be transcription jobs. And you can use websites like rev.com, Transcribe Me, or Go Transcript. If you're good at listening and typing, the transcription job would be perfect for you. You'll be listening to audio files and then turning them into text. So basically typing what you hear. And the pay range for this can typically range from $15 to $25 per hour, depending upon your experience and your skill set. And the greatest thing about this is you can do this at any time from anywhere. All right, so next up we have freelance writing. And so basically with this, there's companies and bloggers that will pay you to write articles, product descriptions, or even ebooks for their websites. And depending on your skill sets, you can earn anywhere from $50 to $300 per article. And speaking of ebooks, if you go down in the description of this video, there's a link for some ebooks that I have that could really be helpful for you if you are looking to maximize your income. I have ebooks on maximizing your income, but also I have ebooks on getting approved for loans and things of that sort. But back to the freelance writing. So some great websites to go ahead and get started making money with the freelance writing is going to be textbroker.com, iWriter, and Upwork. Now let's talk about data entry jobs. You've probably heard so many people speak about making money doing data entry. It's literally one of the easiest ways to make money online. Basically, what you would be doing is entering and organizing data online for the companies. And you can earn anywhere from $10 to $20 per hour. Websites like ClickWorker, Dion Data, and SigTrack will be great options to do data entry. All right, now I want to talk about captioning jobs. Basically with captioning, you're going to be typing out the spoken words in videos, movies, and TV. And these jobs typically pay by the minute. It could be anywhere from 50 cents to $1 per minute. So you could easily earn over $100 per day or more depending on how fast you type. I would recommend checking out rev.com, Caption Max, or Vitag to get started. All right, now online chat support. Now I'm sure you're familiar with online chat support. Even as a consumer, you've probably been on someone's website before, or maybe needed help with some services that you currently pay for, and you get in contact with their online chat support to help you out. If you're a great multitasker and fast at typing, I would definitely recommend getting into this. You can make anywhere from $12 to $20 per hour. And they also have companies that offer bonuses for these positions as well. I recommend checking out SiteStaff and Mod Squad. Now, the good old virtual assistant jobs. Listen, I know people that are running it up, making big bucks being a virtual assistant. And basically, if you're a virtual assistant, you'll be handling various tasks such as scheduling, email management, or even customer service. And if you know what you're doing, which this is really simple, be a multitasker though, so you do have to stay on top of your game, but you could easily make anywhere from $20 to $40 per hour being a virtual assistant. And some websites that you can get started with today are Belay, Time, etc., and Fancy Hands. All right, now I want to talk about micro jobs and tasks. So with micro jobs, basically you would be doing things such as quick tasks like typing up product descriptions, categorizing data, and more. And on these particular platforms, they pay you per task. You can earn anywhere from an extra $500 to $1,500 per month doing these tasks. And that's just working part-time. So working full-time, the sky's the limit. You can do this on Amazon MTurk, Clickworker, or Appin. Now, let's talk about freelance translation. If you're bilingual, you can get paid for translating documents or text, earning anywhere from 5 cents to 20 cents per word, meaning you could easily make over $100 per day doing this with your feet kicked up on the couch. I recommend websites such as Jingo, Prosy, and Unbabel. Next on my list is online proofreading and editing. So if you're someone like me, you're really particular, you pay close attention to details when you're reading or writing, this is going to be a good one for you. You would basically be correcting typos, grammatical errors, and formatting issues. And you can earn anywhere from $20 to $50 per hour on websites like Scribendi, Proofreading Pal, or Grammarly. All right, now another way that you can make this money online today is going to be court report editing, also known as scoping. Basically, what scopists do is they edit transcripts for court reporters. And once you have the proper training and you know what you're doing, you can easily make $30 to $50 per hour on websites like Internet Scoping School or Eclipse Software. All right, now we have the old, tried, true, and tested online surveys and reviews. Listen, my people that have been around, been on the internet since back in the LimeWire days, you probably know about surveys. Easily write reviews and give feedback to make anywhere from $5 to $50 per survey or review on websites like User Testing, Respondent, or Pinecone Research. Now, I know several people that are really getting to the money right now doing social media management. And I'm talking about just simply writing captions, engaging with the audience, and helping someone, an individual or a company, influencer, people like that, run their social media accounts. And you can make anywhere from $15 to $50 per hour on websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and People Per Hour. If you're great at writing resumes, I would definitely recommend checking out resume writing as well. As a resume writer, basically you're going to be doing what the title says. You're going to be helping people write their resumes and getting paid to do it. You can make anywhere from $50 to $300 per resume. And you have to understand, people are willing to pay for this because a single resume could land someone a very high salary job. You know, resumes can change a person's whole life. And so depending on your skill sets, and there's plenty of websites online that you can use to create your resume templates and things of that sort. But websites where you really want to make money doing this and basically selling your service is going to be Top Resume, Resume Edge, or Zip Job. Now, blogging and affiliate writing. You can start your own blog today, write content, start earning money from ads and affiliate links. I mean, there's people making over $4,000 per month doing this on websites like Medium. And basically, you would join the Medium Partner Program. You could use WordPress or even Bluehost to host your blog. Now, I actually made a video about this next one in the past. I don't even know if that video is still public, but it is self-publishing on Amazon Kindle, also known as Amazon KDP. You can easily write and publish your own books on Amazon KDP and earn anywhere from $500 to $10,000 per month. As always, I hope you all found this video helpful and resourceful. If you've tried out any of these hustles, please drop down in the comments and let us know which one you're currently doing and how it's going for you. Or if you haven't tried it yet, but you plan on it after this video, definitely come back and give us an update so that other people can know about your experience and, you know, basically get a review from you as to whether or not that's a route that they want to take. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.